gonna make steamed shrimp today. We're gonna use 1 pound of white shrimp, and you can get them head off and the wing, but I cook it with the shell on. But if you want, you can without the shell. You can peel the shell, cook it without the shell too. And we're gonna use some ginger slice in it, and some pepper, red pepper, and some sliced lemon. Okay, then some onions. Okay, then you have to kind of put a little seasoning in it. So all you need is just some white pepper, just like that, just a little bit, and some wine, just a couple tablespoons, just like that, and some sesame seed oil. Put a 1.5 tablespoon, 1.5. Okay, and that's about it. Put it in a simmer. Cook it for like about 7 minutes. Only 1 more minute, so you heat up some oil. You use olive oil. You just put some in that much, enough to cover the shrimp a little bit on top. A little bit more. Okay. Then you just spray some on top. Okay, that's ready. So you drink some of the water out. Some soy sauce. Then you wait until the oil gets real hot, so you can put some thing in it. Check it out. So you see that the bubble real good, and you know it's done. Okay, then we put the oil on the top. Okay, and this is steamed shrimp.